Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to look at the RUITOOL adjustable track saw square. Now, if you notice behind me, I've got a lot of cabinets. I just finished this one. We're fixing to go ahead and start priming and painting. But I use a track saw system a lot because if I'm out on a job site, it's kind of cumbersome to drag a table saw along. So I love the track saw. But the track saw can become a little bit painful when you're hooking your clamps up all the time. This tool allows you to not have to use those clamps because it makes good straight cuts. It has an edge here that is going to help hold everything down. And this attaches to your track with two different spots. Matter of fact, this works on Milwaukee, it works on Makita, it works on a lot of different tracks out there. It's fairly universal because of the way it's made, the way they made this slide back and forth to be able to attach into the center rail. It is machine made out of aluminum, extremely heavy made. Not at all what you would expect looking at the pictures. I thought it was going to be lightweight, kind of flimsy. This is made to last a very long time. Now, how this actually hooks up, you see your rail that's underneath here? That is where this piece right here is going to go. And it has a clamping system here that is going to clamp onto this rail. So all you do is back this off to where you have some room to play. And we are going to slide this down the center rail. I'm going to turn it sideways to make sure that you can see. So we're going to slide it down, make it nice and tight there. And then this, as you move this little mechanism here, it slides this piece forward or backwards. So we're going to get it locked in where we want it, and we're going to tighten it down just like that. And now it's rock solid and ready for us to use. So all I would do, if say this is the piece of material that we're going to cut, this is 3/4, and I would just take it and hook it. Now you have this little open edge right here. We're going to put that over the top of the wood and slide it up against it. So now it locks in place pretty good. And if I'm going to use my track saw, put it on here, I can go back and forth, and believe it's not going anywhere. Now I can keep my hand here. There we go. It's not moving at all. That's perfect. And if you're a little worried about it, you can still use one clamp from the other side. But now where the beauty of this comes in is I don't have to use framing squares, protractors, or anything to figure out angles. This is going to actually go 90, 60, 45, 30, 22 and a half, and 15, either direction. And it has presets. I'm going to pull you in a little closer so that you can actually see those presets. So on the actual preset, all I have to do, you have a button here. We push it back and we can loosen this a little, and now I can turn this just like this. And it has preset notches and all of the ones that I just called out. Get it where you want. And you're going to lock it in. Let's see, right here. We are now locked in with the pin. Now, if I put it on here, line it up, now I can actually make that angled cut by simply putting my saw back on the track and hold this in place and just slide. And now I make a perfect angle cut depending on what I set the angle to. And I don't have to worry about any kind of creep or movement. It's going to be a perfect angle. Now, one other thing they give you, awesome, especially in a shop environment, is they give you a holder. You're simply going to put the little holder in. They even give you the screws to attach it to the wood and put this over your workstations, and it's ready to rock and roll at all times to reach over and grab it. I can tell you right now, as well made as this is, this should last you for years and years. It's just a great tool that should save you an awful lot of time without having to sit there with protractors and squares trying to find angles and even setting up clamps. This will lock it into place and make all your cuts a lot quicker. So guys, if you're looking for a really good angle tool to be able to use with your track saw that's going to save you a lot of time, I don't think you're going to go wrong with RUITOOL. They make a fantastic product. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.